Alright guys, we are at Planet Hollywood. We're going to give you a room tour of a junior suite. Now, I am a Caesars Rewards member, and being a Caesars Reward member, you always get complimentary upgrades to the best possible room that you could get for your status. I'm Diamond Plus, so I got a quick little upgrade. And being Caesars, this is a complimentary room, 1. There's no resort fees, 2, so there's no taxes on top of that. And we got a free upgrade to a junior suite, and I'm really excited. They have pretty nice rooms here at Planet Hollywood, but this one seems like it's really, really exciting. No. This one seems like it's pretty sweet, like that. All right, so first of all, this is the living room. I love the separation between the bedroom and the living room. If you're like us and you work remote, this is really nice where you can get some work done and not disturb whoever you're traveling with in the other room there. So really like this. Nice comfy couch here, plenty of room in here. Let's check this out. Looks like we have our closet here. Pretty standard stuff, stay safe. Oh, pro tip, when you're walking through the Miracle Mile shops from the parking lot, stop at the ABC store. They always have great deals on beverages. Right now, in December, they have 24-ounce Trulies, which I love, 2 for $4. You can't beat that. So make sure you stop and grab some there. This looks like just a little sitting area here, and there is the refrigerator. One of the reasons that I'm always partial to Caesars, in my opinion, they have a better rewards program, but you also always get a refrigerator in your room, regardless of status, regardless of the size of the room. You always get a complimentary refrigerator, which I really appreciate that. And here's the bedroom area. Nice big single king. I always do a single king non-smoking because we don't smoke and we like to have space. I find if you have one single king rather than 2 queens, if the room is the same, it's always going to be bigger because there's only one bed. So this is really nice. I love this view of the pool down here, and looks like Bellagio across the street there, and Las Vegas Boulevard. Pretty nice stuff. All right, let's go check out the bathroom. Wow, this is pretty nice. Here's the shower. Nice big walk-in shower here. That's pretty nice. And then look at this thing. You guys know how much I appreciate a nice tub in a hotel room. It really feels like you're on vacation. Plenty of counter space here, so my wife and I are not tripping over each other. I always say that she takes up all the counter space. She says I take it, but who knows. Again, same view, Bellagio fountains. You have the pool down there in Las Vegas Boulevard, Cosmopolitan right across the street. Pretty nice. This is definitely one of the nicer rooms that I've stayed at outside of Caesars Palace. And then this must be the toilet. All right, nice big space, some privacy in there. You doing your thing? All right, guys, if you guys are wondering, this is room 2153 North Tower, so 2153N. This is the room here. We're gonna let you guys go, but be sure to please subscribe to our channel as we continue to grow our little channel here and bring you guys more of Vegas. Comment below, let us know what you think. And if there's any property that you wanna see that we haven't gotten to yet, comment below, we'll do our best to get to it. Thanks for stopping by.